Welcome to School 2020. In this video, we will explain the structure and functions of nephron. Nephron is the functional unit of the kidney, the structure that actually produces urine in the process of removing waste and excess substances from the blood. There are about 1 million to 1.2 million nephrons in each human kidney. The most primitive nephrons are found in the kidneys of primitive fish, amphibian larvae, and embryos of more advanced vertebrates. The nephrons found in the kidneys of amphibians and most fish and in the late embryonic development of more advanced vertebrates are only slightly more advanced in structure. The most advanced nephrons occur in the adult kidneys or metanephros of land vertebrates such as reptiles, birds, and mammals. Each nephron of the kidney contains blood vessels and a special tubule. As the filtrate flows through the tubule of the nephron, it becomes increasingly concentrated into urine. Waste products are transferred from the blood into the filtrate, while nutrients are absorbed from the filtrate into the blood. So here is a figure of nephron where you can see glomerular capsule, efferent arteriole, Bowman's capsule, proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, peritubular capillary network, and interlobular artery. Structure of nephron. Each nephron in the mammalian kidney is a long tubule or extremely fine tube about 30 to 55 mm long. At one end, this tube is closed, expanded, and folded into a double-walled cup-like structure. This structure, called the renal corpuscular muscle capsule, or Bowman's capsule, encloses a cluster of microscopic blood vessels, capillaries, called the glomerulus. The capsule and the glomerulus together constitute the renal corpuscle. Blood flows into and away from the glomerulus through tiny arteries called arterioles, which reach and leave the glomerulus through the open end of the capsule. In the renal corpuscle, fluid filters out of the blood in the glomerulus through the inner wall of the capsule and into the nephron tubule. As this filtrate passes through the tubule, its composition is altered by the secretion of certain substances into it and by the selective reabsorption of water and other constituents from it. The final product is urine, which is conveyed through the collecting tubules into the renal pelvis. Functions of nephron. The nephron uses 4 mechanisms to convert blood into urine. Number 1, filtration. Number 2, reabsorption. Number 3, secretion. And number 4, excretion. The function of renal corpuscle. It generates the glomerular filtrate composed by water, ions, and small molecules. Distal convoluted tubule reabsorbs sodium and chloride. Proximal convoluted tubule reabsorbs sodium, chloride, potassium, water, glucose, amino acids, bicarbonate, calcium, and phosphate. Secretes ammonium and creatinine. Collecting duct reabsorbs sodium, chloride, and water. Secretes ammonium, hydrogen ions, and potassium. Loop of Henle, thin descending limb, reabsorbs water. Loop of Henle, thin ascending limb, reabsorbs sodium and chloride. Loop of Henle, thick ascending limb, reabsorbs ammonium, sodium, chloride. If you like our videos, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.